Skol 360 was launched in the Brazilian market, bringing a benefit of drinkability, being the only beer that hasn't the braise effect. The only beer that didn't transform the consumers into a pufferfish. But beside communicating the product features, the radio campaign needed to be more, needed to show the problem for which Skol 360 was the solution. To accomplish that, the campaign was divided into two moments. To show the actual problem, the braise effect, the agency created a teaser campaign that considered in 4 different songs showing consumption situations that could lead to the pufferfish effect. The song styles were country, rock, funk carioca, and pagoda, a type of samba. The songs had no mention to the brand or the campaign. They were placed among other songs in musical programs for 15 days. The consumers couldn't realize by themselves that this was an advertising campaign. After 15 days playing each song at least twice a day since the jingle campaign began, along with TV spot, pop media, magazines, and online. At this point, the songs were transformed into jingles that showed clearly that it was a campaign. The jingle started similar to the song, but at one point it revealed the brand and the product features.
Chegou o Skol 360, a cerveja com bebabilidade.
The radio campaign was the second media in investment rate after the TV spot. The product features, along with the problem that those products solved, were clearly communicated in a fun and innovative way. Some radio stations reported that listeners called to ask who was singing the songs, a fact that shows not only the adequacy of the advertising action, but the quality of the musical productions that could easily be mistaken as a regular song in the station's programming. Skol 360,